Hey guys, Nerdchilles here. I've talked a lot about heart rate over the last couple of weeks, and it's a really important thing to know in order to kind of warm up correctly and make sure that you're hitting kind of the right heights during your workout. So let's take a moment real quick and figure out how to figure out your maximum heart rate and then what your target heart rate is so that you know exactly how hard you should be working out and maximize your success. So let's look at it.
All right, guys. So the first thing that we need to do is figure out what our maximum heart rate is. Now, to do that, we need to take the number 220 and we minus our age. So for me, that's minus 37. What I end up with is 183. So that is the maximum amount of heartbeats that I want per minute when I'm working out. You don't want to go above that because it can be very dangerous, according to the American Heart Association. All right? So that's step one. Then, once we have our maximum heart rate, so in my case 183, we want to figure out the range for the intensity of workout. Now, if I want moderate intensity, I want to multiply it by 0.5. That gives me 91.5. So that's the low end of my moderate intensity. Then I'm going to take that same number, 183, and I'm going to multiply it by 0.7. Okay? When I do that, I end up with 128. So that means for moderate activity, I want my heart rate to be somewhere between 91 and 128. Okay, that is the goal if I'm going to do moderate activity, like a jog or something like that. Now, let's say I want to push a little further and have vigorous heart rate, right? Well, I know the bottom end is 128 because that's times 0.7 or 70% of my maximum heart rate. But I got to find the upper end. So I take 183 and I multiply it by 0.85. That's 85% of my maximum heart rate. When I do that, I end up with 155.5. What that tells me is that vigorous activity for me would be between 128 to 155 beats per minute.
And there you have it. Now you guys know how to figure out your maximum heart rate and also your target heart rate. That way we can stay safe and make sure that we're working out to our full potential. So, till next time, high five, subscribe.